Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the earphone connection problem in your device Samsung Galaxy M23. So if you want to connect the earphones with your device, or you can say the headphones, and they are not connecting or you are having an issue, you can fix this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can connect or solve the earphone issue. Let's watch the video.